time for me to make dryer sheets again, and with it going into summertime, I really like to do the fresh citrus scent because this has the lemon, the grapefruit, multiple different kinds of oranges, and just a little bit of spearmint to give it that little burst of freshness. It just smells like summer. I'll need a 1/2 gallon container to place my solution in, and I'll start with 2 cups of water, 2 cups of white distilled vinegar. This is the 5% acidity. The vinegar is an interesting one because not only is it a fabric softener, but that smell that's so overwhelming right now actually really fades down. Sometimes you can smell it a tiny bit, but for the most part, it's these oils that will take precedence. Then I take 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin, and this is also a fabric softener in and of itself, but the other thing that it does is if I mix in my oils with it, it makes it so that they stay suspended in the water and vinegar mix as opposed to just floating up and being a residue at the surface. So all these oils are going to go into this vegetable glycerin. I'll start with 10 drops of lemon oil, 10 drops of grapefruit oil, 10 drops of orange oil. This one's Brazilian orange, but as long as it's a sweet orange, it should do. 10 drops of tangerine, 10 drops of mandarin oil, and 10 drops of spearmint oil. I then use either a small whisk or a fork, and I'll mix those oils really nicely in that vegetable glycerin. You can already smell how good it is right now. Something so clean smelling about that citrus scent. Now I use a spatula to scrape out all of those oils mixed in with that vegetable glycerin. I get that poured into my vinegar water mixture. And then I stir that. And I just really like making my own cleaning things. I know that there's not any extra chemicals to it. I know it's safer for the environment. So better for me, better for the environment, better for my pocketbook. I can't really see a downside to it. And then I have some specific towels or washcloths that I have set aside. The kids know when these come out of the dryer that they need to be folded up and either set next to this or put back inside it if there's more liquid in here. So at this point, I'll insert my little washcloths. And then when it's time to do a load in the dryer, I pull out one of the cloths and I leave it kind of sopping. And so I'll hold my hand underneath it and I'll put it directly on my wet clothes that are in the dryer, and I just run it just like I would a normal dryer sheet. And it gives that little bit of fabric softening as well as that lovely scent.